guys, Elizabeth here. I'm doing a quick and dirty play by Sephora. This came in when I was on vacation in February, so now it's March and I feel the time has passed. But just in case you missed what was in the play for February, we got this cool bag, Feel the Love. It's one of those cotton bags with the pink right here. It's so cute. Then it looks kind of like Valentine, like sticker things. You're my crush. You're a good friend. It's got the 50 Beauty Insider points if you purchase something. This will probably be good through the end of March. The Play by Sephora box is a $10 plus applicable tax box. I got the Victor and Roll Flower Bomb. You guys know I'm allergic to perfume, but I like the fact it's got a spray topper on it, so one of my friends will certainly enjoy that. And I've already taken the stuff out of the box. Like I said, it's going to be quick and dirty. Sephora Rouge Cream Lip Stain. This is in red color. Let me flip over. Always red. I have a red in my collection lipstick that I use, so I will save this for a future giveaway. Same with this Sephora Rouge Matte in Rebel Chic. This is a pretty, I'm trying to, there's the light that way. Maybe I can put it this way. It's like a berry color, a dark berry color. I would use this, except that it is a matte formula. And you guys know with my older lips, the matte formula just doesn't work for me. So I just finished a giveaway and I already have 2 items for the next one. Loving this mascara, the Lancome Monsieur Big. It's one of my absolute favorites, so I'm glad to have another sample of that. This, though I usually like sheet masks, this is a, what is that, First Day Beauty Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. I will go ahead and try that. I think I'll take that downstairs and try that tonight. And the last, but definitely not least, because you guys know I love Belief products, I have the Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. This item is a moisturizing eye balm. So I usually have my honey buy me the Aqua Bomb for my birthday because Belief is a little more expensive, but I've got an eye balm here. Looking forward to using it. I think you can tell the packaging is a little misleading because it's less than half that size, but I'm still excited to receive these products. And let me know what you think. And are you excited? I've got 2 things ready for the next giveaway. Talk with you guys later. Bye.